Hey guys, I'm Chris Dodd. I'm the automotive air conditioning lecturer here at South Metropolitan TAFE, and
I'm Matt Burton. I'm an apprentice auto electrical air conditioning technician working for Lyons.
we're just here to tell you a little bit about air conditioning at the moment, why it's important in our field. Both the heavy and also the light vehicles today just demanding the air conditioning side of things, especially the new electric vehicles. They especially need the air conditioning side of things because they actually keep the charging system cool. Without the air conditioning system, the vehicle's not going to charge. Also up in the Pilbara and so forth, we have big machinery coming through and they aren't coming in with air conditioning systems in them. So that's where Matt comes into it.
Yeah, a lot of European stuff, they don't require aircon, or it comes to Australia without that power that we need for the Pilbara and up north. So we upgrade systems and add to it so the guys up north can stay safe, stay cool and do their job properly.
And definitely with mine sites and so forth, downtime is everything. So if a machinery or a bus or whatever it may be doesn't have an air conditioning system in it or has a fault in the air conditioning system, that vehicle is done. That's out of work. So keeping them up and running and keeping the air conditioning system serviced and properly running is a very essential part of our trade.